Hi, I'm Paris, I'm 22, a female apprentice builder. I've currently been in my apprenticeship for 13 months. I wanted to have a physical job that was still rewarding. Kind of thought, oh, don't know if I could do that. You know, it's a bit of a blokey job, but it's turned out to be pretty primo. Everything's team orientated. You kind of feed off each other's knowledge and experience, help each other out. It's just getting stuck in together. So I do come from a family of hairdressers. There's 3 generations. My sister, she's a hairdresser, so I thought no point in me being one. My grandfather was extremely happy and proud. My mum, she was really proud of me. She is now a wood tech teacher, so you know, she's traded it in as well. I went and visited a guy who works for BCRTO. He's our training advisor. He goes around the whole of the Wairarapa, and it happened quite quickly. Just had to give him my CV, and a few weeks later I had a phone call saying, hey, you want to come in for an interview? And it's where it all began, really. You get given some goals by your advisor, and preferably you're doing those at the same time at work. So at the moment I'm trying to work on foundations, so this is obviously the perfect job to be on. So I play soccer every Sunday, train on a Thursday, play on a Sunday, and then when I'm not doing soccer, I'm just out with my family and my sister and her kids. My thoughts on women in the construction industry: there's not enough. If you think you can do it, why not give it a go? If you want a physical, hands-on, rewarding job, I'd recommend getting into it. But it's not just necessarily building that might be for you. There's so many different aspects you could get into. I'd recommend getting some work experience. Really try your hardest, get involved, ask questions, push yourself and see, you know, is this for me? I think it's a good fit for me because I love to just get stuck in and try make things. I really enjoy how satisfying it is to stand back at the end of the day and see what you've achieved. Hi, I'm Paris, I'm 22 and I'm an apprentice carpenter and I've found my fit. How about you?